Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
It is exciting here getting my teeth cleaned at Normandale.
You wonder how I get anything done, huh?
Maybe you could advertise, that we need board patients.
That's what he was saying.
Yeah.
See, Diane's on board with you.
Yeah, Diane knows how to work. The other video didn't take.
What video? Oh, when Deb was checking?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. She's in and out. Just kidding. I'm going to go ahead and fix this right out.
Now you can see yourself at work, Stacy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's check with air again. Do you see what we're seeing?
Huh?
Do you see what we're looking at?
Uh-uh.
See here how it's white?
Okay.
That's the calculus.
Ah.
Really hard area to pick at, though.
Did you get it?
Yeah, we'll rinse and then we'll check again.
Okay.
Oops. That wasn't my fault.
I know. I always.
Did you swallow it or spit it all out?
It just all drooled right out. I always do that, you know.
Didn't it go down your neck?
Sorta.
You trying to get a shower?